I'm about to show you how to brush your 360 waves with glasses. And hopefully by the end of this video, you can brush your hair without the glasses falling all off, man. So stay tuned. What's good, notification gang? It's your boy
SwaggDrizzle, baby.
And in this video right here, I'm about to show you how to brush your hair with glasses, man. And there are 3 things that you must think about when you waving with glasses, man. And the first one is you must have at least
8 M's in my bank account. Yeah, in my bank account. Yeah, in my bank account.
Nah, for real, man. Nah, for real. You feel me? The first tip is to make sure the arm of your glasses is not too long. Make sure it don't stick out past your ear. And the reason being is because when you brushing, if it's sticking out past your ear, it's more what the word I'm looking for? It's more
2 hours later.
I don't know the word I'm looking for, but it's more tempting to get in the way when you brushing. You feel me? When you hit your
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
But nah, man, it's more tempting to get in the way when you brush. And along with that, make sure it's not too thick. You see how skinny the arm of my glasses is? Make sure it's not too thick. When it's really thick, not saying it's not possible to do. You can brush your hair with thick glasses, but it's like it's really hard to brush your hair without them falling all out like that. You feel me? Especially when you hit your side, and you definitely don't want to be looking like that. You feel? For real. So yo, let recap real quick. First up, make sure the arm of your glass is not too long. Make sure it don't stick out way past your ear. Second one, make sure the arm is not too thick. If it's too thick, it's really hard to hit your sides really without the glasses coming out. My third tip, man, is to basically learn your angles, man. You ain't gotta go all the way. I see people brushing all the way down their face. It's not even called for, man. You feel me? All you gotta do, hit your angle, boom, stop. That's it. Real simple. So learn your angles. Make sure you hit your angles real good, man. And you ain't gotta brush all the way down your forehead, all the way down your face, all on your ears. You feel me? Ears about to have a rash because you brushing them so much, man.
What the fuck? Stop playing. What the fuck is that?
Come on, man. Stop it, man. Stop it, man. That's my 3 tips when you brushing your hair with glasses, man. Just to show y'all that I brush my hair with glasses, man. Let me show you. See what I'm looking like right now, man. Really time for a shape up. Reno Pro, true medium. See how I don't hear my angles? My glasses still on my face now. Ain't no angle, boom. You know what I'm saying? Right side, boom. You ain't gotta go all. When you go all the way down your face, that when you start knocking off your glasses. You ain't gotta do all that. Learn your angle first, man. You see how my glasses don't poke out past my ear? That's what I'm talking about. Boom. Real simple, man. Best bag. Boom. If you enjoyed this video, please give the video a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel and you want to learn more about how to get waves, be sure to hit the subscribe button, man, and hit the bell so you don't miss another video, man. For real. It's your boy SwaggDrizzle, man. And I'm out of here.